Alright, cool. So in this module, we're going to talk about interviewing, which is your bridge from the application to the job offer. And later in this video, we're going to tell you the secret, the 2 things that every interviewer is thinking when they're interviewing you. Interviewing is where about 43% of the mistakes are made by candidates, according to a recent survey of CFOs. And so first we're going to talk a little bit about the timeline of a normal interview process and the kinds of interviews that exist. So basically this is the way that interviews work. Usually early on they interview you for your skills and then later on for cultural match. So you're probably going to start off with a phone screen, which is usually done with an HR person. Easel has a module on that, so check that out. Then you move to the first round interview where they talk a little bit more about your skills in depth, and then the second round interview where you're more looking for a cultural fit. Can you work with this particular team? And there are a few different kinds of interviews that exist. You got the phone screen, which most people know about, the one-on-one interview, which is what most people think about for on-site interviews. Then you've got the panel interview where a bunch of people interview you at once. You've got the group interview where you're among a bunch of candidates being interviewed at one time. You've got the working interview where you do some work and they watch you. And then you have the video interview. So the secret is the 2 things that are being sussed out in an interview are skills match and cultural fit. They basically want to know, do you have what it takes to get this done? And then second of all, will we like working with you? Anyway, I want to thank Easel users Razami and Joe for helping us design this module. Thanks Razami, thanks Joe.